How do you make your first $1,000 online in 2025 if you have no skills, no experience, and no money? Sounds impossible, right? But the truth is, people are already doing it, and today we will show you exactly how. No fluff, just real methods that work. Before we get into the best ways to make money, let's be realistic. Making money online is not magic. You won't get rich overnight. But unlike traditional jobs, these methods allow you to start from zero and build up quickly. The best part? You don't need expensive equipment, special education, or even a large audience. All you need is consistency and a willingness to learn. Selling digital products. One of the most beginner-friendly ways to generate income online is by selling digital products. These could be ebooks, templates, guides, or planners. You create them once and sell them over and over again. Thanks to modern tools, even those with no design or writing experience can create high-quality products. AI-powered platforms can help generate content, while free design tools make it easy to create visually appealing materials. The best-selling digital products are business-related templates, like social media content planners, and self-improvement tools, habit trackers, daily planners. How can you do the same? Go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate content for an ebook or a planner. Use Canva to design it. Upload it to Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. To attract buyers, leveraging Pinterest, TikTok, or Instagram for promotion can be highly effective. This is a perfect passive income stream. Once you upload your product, it can keep selling without any extra effort. Freelancing. For those who prefer offering services rather than selling products, freelancing is an excellent option. Contrary to popular belief, not all freelance jobs require advanced skills or years of experience. Many online platforms offer opportunities to work on simple tasks such as social media content creation, basic graphic design, AI-assisted writing, and video captioning. By using AI-powered tools, beginners can quickly produce high-quality work and start earning. Freelance marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork provide a space to connect with clients looking for these services. Success in freelancing often comes down to consistency, delivering work on time, receiving positive reviews, and gradually increasing service prices as experience grows. This is one of the fastest ways to start earning online because you get paid immediately after completing a task. Dropshipping. Imagine running an online store without ever touching the products you sell. Sounds like magic, right? That's exactly what dropshipping allows. Instead of keeping products in stock, a dropshipping business works by partnering with suppliers who handle storage and shipping. You simply create an online store, list trending products, and whenever a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the item directly to them. The best part? No upfront investment in inventory, no need for a warehouse, and no risk of unsold stock. How to get started? Find trending products. Use TikTok trends, Google Trends, or AliExpress to discover what's currently in demand. Create an online store. Shopify makes it incredibly easy to set up a store in just a few clicks. Market the products. Use TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook ads to bring traffic to the store. If done right, dropshipping can be one of the fastest ways to make serious money online, with some stores generating thousands in sales within their first month. Online surveys and microtasks. For those who are looking for a simple way to earn some extra cash in their spare time, companies are willing to pay for opinions, data entry, and simple online tasks. Websites specially designed for this purpose offer various activities that can earn you money. While this won't replace a full-time income, it can be a fun and easy way to make a little pocket money by completing surveys, watching videos, or testing apps and providing feedback. Selling stock photos and videos. Turn your creativity into cash. Ever taken a stunning sunset photo on your phone and thought, wow, this could be in a magazine? Well, it actually can, and it can make money too. Stock photo and video platforms allow photographers and videographers to sell their work online. Companies, marketers, and bloggers are always looking for fresh visuals, and each time someone downloads an image or video, the creator earns a commission. Even smartphone photos can sell if they're high quality. The best-selling images are often lifestyle moments, business and finance concepts, minimalist backgrounds for social media. For those who enjoy photography or videography, this can become a passive income stream where money keeps coming in long after the work is done. Content creation. It is a great way to share your passions and connect with an audience while earning money. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are perfect for this. The beauty of content creation is that you can express yourself creatively and provide value to your audience. Grab your smartphone and start making videos or posts that entertain, educate, or inspire. The trick is to choose a niche and consistently post engaging content. Some of the best niches for 2025 include AI and tech trends, personal finance and investing, health and fitness. Travel and remote work engagement is key in this space. Consistently interact with your audience through comments, polls, and live sessions to build a loyal following. Once you have a solid base of followers, you can explore monetization options such as advertising revenue, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. It takes time to grow an audience, but once established, content creation can generate six-figure incomes through multiple revenue streams. The best part? It's completely free to start and can be done from anywhere. The most important step is simply getting started. Even if the first attempt isn't perfect, progress comes with experience. With consistency, learning, and adaptation, making the first $1,000 online is completely achievable. Thanks for watching. If these tips were helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel to catch more videos on taking control of your financial future. Let us know in the comments which method you'll try first. See you in the next video.